Hello? YesIshNess phone service. How may we YesIshNess you? Huh. You want a video of randomness? You got it. Hi, I'm Emma880. Remember me? I'm the crazy person who hates Ashford, loves Letty, and is an insane fool with Chi-Chi. Okay, well, I'm here for a randomness video, and it comes in 3 parts. Randomness on a scooter, randomness with balls, like rubber balls, and number 3, randomness. Yeah, let's start with scooters. Okay, I have my scooter. It's a Razor. It's awesome. You want it. You're jealous. Okay, it's the view of the garage. It owns you all. 3, 2, 1, fire! YesIshNess phone service, how may we YesIshNess you? You didn't like my first session of randomness? Well, you better like this one. Hi, it's me. And yes, I did just turn the camera on and off again. Okay, I'm going to be playing with random bouncy balls. Watch and learn as I play Foursquare with myself. I own you all. This is so boring. You want to play? Okay, bad idea. This session is totally over. I'm gonna eat the camera now because I'm so embarrassed. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, YesIshNess phone service. How may we YesIshNess you? You didn't like it? You thought it was boring about me bouncing a ball against a wall? Oh, okay. That is it. Watch out. Yeah, it's me again. I'm being bored. Okay, well, this is the 3rd session of the randomness series. You're gonna love it. Well, I bought a new camera, so I kind of ate my old one. Yeah, okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna be random now. Did you know that you're dealing with an idiot when they are mean to you? And they're mean to you, throw balls at your head. I've had experience. And if I had my friends here right now, they have experience too. Just like there's that little girl down the road, down over there, that calls me Scooter Clan and Scooter Freak, and me and my friends, we don't like it. Okay, I'm done. Okay, my family is planting a garden. You wish you were them. Okay, am I being boring? Maybe I should quit this job at YesIshNess phone service. Yeah, that's a good idea. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, YesIshNess phone service. How can we not YesIshNess you?